Hi guys, and welcome to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio. We've got an Audi TT in at the moment that we're working on, and we thought it an ideal opportunity to demonstrate one of the products that we recently received in the BecauseRaceCarBox subscription box service. It's basically a subscription box service that gives you product samples to your door every month, detailing products, accessories, and just general accessories for the car care world. Very good for the car enthusiast and very good for trying things that you might not normally have tried. One of those to us is Illuminate by Auto Elixir, which is an interior detailer that we're going to be putting through its paces today and over the coming weeks. We thought we'd just do a quick demonstration of the product, what you might use it for, and the sort of finish it leaves in a vehicle's interior. So you may have checked out the video when we actually unboxed this from the BecauseRaceCarBox. This is Illuminate, the Auto Elixir interior detailer. It is designed as a quick way of rejuvenating and lifting your vehicle's interior, not leaving any sort of high gloss, high sheen, sort of artificial looking surfaces, just giving a nice low sort of original manufacturer's sheen, whilst protecting your plastics from UV rays and leaving a lovely rose and rhubarb scent behind in the car that's not too overpowering, but just does leave a nice fresh scent when you get into the car afterwards. So in terms of ease of use and speed of use, it is as simple as spraying it onto a microfiber towel, just a few sprays, wiping said towel over the surface that you wish to coat with the dressing, and hopefully you can see there it is just leaving a very subtle sheen to the plastics, which looks nice and natural, not too overpowering and in your face. And you leave that just for a few moments just to dry, and if you need to, you can just flip your microfiber towel over or use a different towel just to wipe off any excess residue and leave the final finish, which protects against UV rays as we mentioned, and leaves that nice sort of subtle aroma in your car and just generally makes your car's interior a nice place to be. So Auto Elixir Illuminate, if you're looking for a sort of quick use product that leaves a premium finish in your interior, this could well be the one for you. The team at Auto Elixir are great guys as well, really good to deal with. We'll be happy to answer all your questions, are very approachable. Very much recommended by us at Trusted Car Products, and a lovely way to lift and revitalise your vehicle's interior. Thanks as always for checking out the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Hopefully you enjoyed our brief little video there demonstrating the Auto Elixir Illuminate interior detailer. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. We do appreciate all feedback we get, especially if you've used the product. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the products. So please comment away, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.